Hey guys, I just wanted to try a couple of things. As you can see, my stainless steel pot here has this milky look in the bottom from hard water. I have heard that baking soda and vinegar will take care of that. So I'm going to put just a little bit of water in so that you can see it's not just going to wash out with the water. It's already been through the wash. And let me pour this out. Okay, so we're back and we're still very milky, cloudy. So I'm going to sprinkle in. I knew this box was almost empty, so I brought in some more. Alright, I am going to put some water in and then the vinegar. I'm going to leave it for just about a minute and then we'll come back and see how it works. So for this one, I'm going to grab a bowl and make a paste of baking soda and vinegar and just rub it on there to set for a minute as well. Okay, supposedly 1 minute is all it takes. I'm going to give it about 5 because I want to make sure that this has some time to work. And then we'll be back. Alright, I'm going to set that one aside. Alright, I'm going to go pour this out. Okay, so partially off, so I think it's on the right track. Maybe it needs a paste as well instead of just a liquid. So I'll go ahead and try that. And we'll be right back. It's much better. There's still like a little spot there and a little right here. So I'm going to keep working on this one. But I also wanted to check on the bottom of this pot. At least I do know it works. I think the timing is the thing. It's going to need to sit for a while. And I did switch over to this little nylon sponge. So I had more than just terry cloth buffing. You can definitely see some coming off there. Although I can see a difference, I'm still going to add a little salt and see if that helps. The bottom I'm not as worried about as the top, but when I saw them clean up a bottom of a pot, I did decide I wanted to try mine as well. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off so that we can see what it started out as and what some scrubbing, little elbow grease there is doing, along with the vinegar, baking soda, and the salt. Okay, so I did want to show you, some of this came off just, you know, soaking, but this is a copper bottom pot. When I bought them, it was copper showing. Over time, it started to look like this. So, yeah, I'm impressed that it's going to work. I'm going to keep working on this one. It's going to take a little longer, but we're going to bring the other pot back over. And on these little spots that are left, I'm going to go ahead and I want to put some salt in. And I'm going to use my damp or wet sponge I was using before, and I'm just going to keep scrubbing. We're going to give it another rinse. Wow, 100% better. So if you guys have that, if you have hard water and you have that milky buildup there, definitely try the vinegar, baking soda, and even a little salt there for abrasion is good. I would say instead of just soaking it though, I would go straight to the paste. And although soaking, you know, took off the bulk of it, if you have a lot like I did, because I've never treated it, I didn't know what to do about it until recently. If you just have a little, then you could probably do the liquid. Otherwise, make a paste and put it in, maybe even sprinkle some salt in there when you're ready to really scrub. Alright, so I'm very happy with this. My stainless steel is going to come back to life. Alright, I am happy with it. The way it came out, it's not perfect, but this pan or pot is 20 years old. So I think it cleaned up pretty good to be 20 years old. Very happy. You guys have a great week. Bye.